That's a classic moment.
I'm sorry.
Patty, you don't have a key.
Sucker. I'm not hungry. You don't know what you want. You're drunk.
Okay.
Where are we going?
I'm sorry.
Are we on it?
He asked for my number. I'm scared.
I was so pissed off when he asked me for a number. I was like, oh.
I wasn't even talking to him.
I know. I'm over here trying to make my move to a French guy.
He looked at me like that when I first got in the car. I was like,
But he's a French
why
guy.
is he looking at me?
I need to pee.
I was.
I want to get laid.
Did we leave
How
our?
about I pass him on?
Okay, excuse me.
That was me.
Who
That was
left?
me. That was me.
You had.
I just opened it right now.
Oh, you have a key?
Yeah, I have a
When?
key. We all have a key.
That scared
Did
me
we?
too, Marcos. You scared me.
But I need to pee, so hurry up.
Okay, go ahead. Go in there.
Can I take?
Don't take a picture of her peeing.